Using bot AI in 2024 is a pretty simple thing, and in this video I will show you exactly how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into it. So what you have to do exactly is to go to the Google Chrome and type in bot.google.com. Make sure that you keep a good look at the website. As you guys can see that when I hit the search button, the bot AI name will be changed to Gemini. So it is because that the new name for the bot AI is Gemini.google.ai, because Google has renamed the bot to Gemini. So how you guys can use it. So if you have a certain thing that you want to know from the Google, for example, how can I attain a UK number from? So right now I have given a prompt which says that how can I attain a UK number from a different country? And I'm gonna ask the Gemini to sort it out and let me know how it goes. So as you guys can see that it is searching on the Google, and this is the evaluation total result of the Google. So if you want to generate an image using a Gemini, that is also very simple. What you have to do is to type in a prompt, for example. So by giving a prompt like create an abstract image of solar system, the AI now will work to create an image. You can also use this AI to solve out different sort of problems, and it can also help you in coding in your business and with many other stuff. So this is how you can use it. I hope you find this video helpful.